I guess I've done a lot of first times in this video. Anyway. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Quirky Koel. I am Koel. This is another video that I've came up with and it's a haul video. So yeah, by the title you must already be knowing what I'm going to show you guys, what I'm going to do. So yes, before we start with the video, I need to share two announcements with you guys. That is, number one is that if you're from Asansol, then definitely visit Head Turner Salon Asansol. That is in the 3rd floor Galaxy Mall in Asansol. About the whole salon experience in this pandemic situation, how they are taking the hygiene factors seriously and what all measures they are maintaining. So yeah, I will be linking it in this I button right here. After watching this video, make sure you go check that video out and do not forget to visit them if you need a haircut at a discounted price. Isn't that great? So yeah, the offer is only valid till the end of this month. So झट से जाके अपना makeover करके आ जाइए. And the second announcement is that I changed my Instagram handle finally. So basically, long story short, it was @quirky__Koel before, and now it is @quirky Koel, which I wanted from such a long time, because who doesn't want to build their brand name, in every social media platform. So yeah, I finally got it without any those special characters. So yeah, I got it and I will be linking it down below. Do not forget to just click the link and follow me. So basically, this is the first time that I have shopped from Purple. And why I shopped, because there was an amazing sale going on. Now I basically forgot what the name of the sale was, but it was around the corner, like 4 to 5 days ago it was going on. That is why I grabbed my hands on some beautiful products. I will be showing you guys what all I got and what are the prices and every details I'm going to show you guys. So without any further ado, now let's get started with the video. Okay, so everything came inside this package. As you can see, it's written Purple, and also there's a sticker right here which says products inside the box are sanitized against the novel coronavirus. So yeah, the products that came inside this box were already sanitized from beforehand, but still I kept it outside under the sun. Have to take the measures, right? Okay, now all the products came inside this box wrapped in this beautiful bubble papers, which are like a therapy to me. Can you hear? So basically, other than the products, I enjoyed popping all these. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's get into the video and into the products that I bought. Let's get started. So the first product is a skincare product, and recently I am into this thing like skincare regime thingy. Yes, I've started taking some care of my skin because I have a lot of blemishes and dark spots on my. So basically, I'm trying to take care of my skin, by doing the CTM practice every night. So yeah, I do not have the toner, so I got this Himalaya toner, which is a refreshing and clarifying toner. And guess what, it is for all skin types. I have literally oily skin and I just cannot apply moisturizer or anything on my face. It gives me breakouts instantly. Like मैं कुछ भी apply करूँ, थोड़े देर बाद breakouts आ ही जाता है out of nowhere, like uninvited. So this is actually for all skin types, and I thought, why not, let me just get hands on this. And it retails for actually 95 rupees and for 100 ml, but I got it for 71 rupees. So yeah, toners, we all know what it helps us for, so I hope it's going to help me. I'm looking forward to it, and it's a good brand at a reasonable price that I got. So isn't that amazing? Okay, now the next product is that night cream. So this is basically a good vibes night cream, as you can see. It is for my mother. I got it for my mother because she loves night creams and she loves pampering herself. So yeah, I got my mother this thing. So this is basically a good vibes wheat germ nourishing night cream, which this is a 50-gram package that I have got because I wanted my mother to try the 50-gram package before, if it's suiting her skin or not. And it retails for 225, but I got it for only 158. So wheat germ basically contains a lot of vitamin E, which helps build in, and it reduces the blemishes in your skin. You get wrinkle lines over your forehead on this area. So yeah, that's why you should definitely use some night cream every time before sleeping. Good Vibes is a herbal brand, and the product, it is not at all greasy or sticky to the face. So basically what happens is, if any product is sticky or greasy kind of, and if you have an oily skin problem, you just tend to break out, as it is not greasy and not sticky. I'm also looking forward to using it after some point of time, because night creams are always a good thing. So the next product is this Good Vibes vitamin C serum again. So it is basically a 20% vitamin C age defining serum, and it comes with a dropper, and it comes in this packaging. So this is basically a 10 ml bottle. Again, for the first time I got a Good Vibes product, so I really wanted to try with the smaller quantity ones. So if it suits my sister's skin, then we are going to continue with the bigger ones. So this basically I bought for my sister, and she really wanted a vitamin C serum, so I thought let me just get her this one, because it came at a really cheaper rate, because this is a 10 ml product and it actually retails for 225, but this also I got for rupees 158. So this is a really steal from Purple. Vitamin C, we all know how beneficial it is for our skin. It gives our skin some glow and it makes it youthful, right? So vitamin C is always a good purchase. And these are the two Bella Vostell lip crayons that I got, as you can see. So the first one is in a shade Living the Life number 08, and it is a nude shade. This is the shade. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I'll swatch it for you guys. So this is the swatch. As you can see, it's a nude shade, and oh my god, talk to me about it. I was longing for a nude shade for a long time, and this comes so cheap. So I got this product for like 74 rupees, but the thing was that it was actually on a sale, and there was an offer for the Bella Vostell lip crayons, that or the Bella Vostell products, that is, if you buy two products from Bella Vostell and the other one gets free. So basically एक के साथ एक मुझको फ्री ही मिला है. तो या दोनों लिपस्टिक्स मुझको 74 रुपीज़ में आए हैं. So that's a good purchase. Next one that I have is this one. It is in the shade Truly Madly Deeply number 8. So I'll just swatch it for you guys. Oh my god, basically kind of wine sort of a color, and I just love it. It's pink, it's kind of a deep pink. I just love the color. About the Bella Vostell lip crayons, I need to say that for the first time I used crayons, lip crayons. I guess I've done a lot of first times in this video. Anyway, so yeah, the lip crayons are amazing. It comes, the quality is amazing, while you put it on your lips, it just glides over your lips so well. But the thing is that this doesn't last for long, because once you have something oily or any food, it will just show. But the shades are really great, and your lip doesn't at all feel too heavy. Like when we put the liquid lipsticks, it feels so heavy, isn't it? And the lips feel chapped. But for the crayons, it doesn't at all. It just glides so beautifully. So yeah, these are the things that I got for myself and my family from Purple. And if you have watched till here, thank you so much for watching my whole video. And do not forget to leave a comment on which product did you like, or which product do you use, or the lip shades which you like. So let me just know about it. And thank you so much for watching my whole video. Go hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family and whomsoever you know in this world, because why not? And subscribe to my channel Quirky Quill. Please hit that red button right there. And I will make sure to link all the product links in the description below so that you can go and check them out and purchase it. Also, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram that I will be linking in the description box below. Also, it's right here. It's @QuirkyCoel. So please don't forget to follow me. And thank you so much for watching this video. Love you guys. Toodles.